Javier, good morning. We are here with this company Twilio, which I refer to as a unique investment opportunity in the US stock market, upgrading to strong buy when I had to at $26 and discussing this company since IPO, and obviously giving it in first hand to subscribers to our service. Having said this, we also made it public, okay, completely for free on the blog of the company at a price of $50, okay? So meanwhile, as we said, Twilio, the share price, Twilio is the next Netflix. I already explained this in detail. And therefore you had plenty of time to buy, to invest in Twilio. Today you are a multi-millionaire by following my personal guidance in the markets, namely on Twilio. But that you already knew that was going to happen since I never missed one single forecast. I refer to this article, it is one of them on the blog of the company, and the title is Market Legend Artificial Intelligence, the algorithm that I created, stocks undervalued 500%. And well, you have to go through and to read because this is very important. It also contains one of the reviews, a billionaire, one of our customers. A picture is worth 1,000 words, it is, yeah. The case of Netflix that zoomed since single digits to my price target 420, which also I announced on the blog of the company. And you have it here. It is very important that you play this video because it is available on the web, okay? So you had plenty of time to make a vast fortune by investing in Twilio, the next Netflix, even if you were not a subscriber, okay? If you want to know what Twilio is going to do, for example, ahead of earnings, or how to invest in Twilio after the company reported earnings and so on, it is extraordinarily simple. You don't even need to the trade alerts. You have a video with the instructions, and that video explains absolutely everything what Twilio is going to do after immediately made available after the company reported earnings. So I'm in the office. If you go back to my videos, I believe that you find videos probably one month ago. Since then, I have interventions on Periscope. I'm on the beach. I don't have to be in the office. All this is automated, okay? If you have questions, you can always talk to one of our customers with 4-digit return on investment without any experience whatsoever or prior experience investing in the markets. It is not necessary, all this, it is automated, okay? And with this, I terminate, and congratulations, and thank you for the fact that you have been following my advice. Bye.